Hello! My name is Jessie, and I thought I'd film a little tutorial on how I do my brows. I got this brush soap, which I will link. Focus. There you go. I'll link it below. And yeah, so you can like try it out yourself and see if it works for you. I think this is a gorgeous brow look. I think everybody looks better with this. And like as a photographer, I totally use this like on my clients because I do their makeup or like touch them up sometimes, and this makes a world of difference. So I highly recommend doing this. But yeah, so you see how my brows look naturally. I have something in my eye. Hello. Okay, I'm back. So I basically loaded up my brush in this tin, and then I'm going to spray with fixing spray. Ready? And then you kind of like wiggle. Oh, it's in my lash. Okay. Oh no. Okay, I got it. Wiggle. And then brush up for your last couple strokes. And then your brows look very soapy, but it's okay because you're just going to take your finger and push down in an upwards motion, and that will kind of like set them. I don't know why I use bunny ears for that, but whatever. See? And then for the other side, you do the same thing. Wiggle. Then you just see my wigglage. Wiggle. And then after you're done wiggling, you just comb them up. And then, okay, so once you have all of your beautiful brows brushed up and looking like a laminated piece of paper, which is the goal here, you are going to fill in where you think is necessary. This does not mean you need to fill in your entire brow, okay? Skirt. Okay, anyways, sorry. I'll stop doing that. Okay, so what I do is I use like the magnifying side of my mirror, like so, and then I get in really close there. Show you how close I get, like that. Really close, right? And then I kind of just go in only where I think is necessary. Okay guys, this is the final product. They kind of look a little bushier and like more awake and bigger. And I don't know, I think brows are like a sign of youth and vitality, and I don't know, I just really like my brows to be big looking, and it's like super cute, trendy right now. So bye, thanks for watching, talk to you later, gators.